Welcome to G RAThbun's YouTube channel. Hey, I want you guys just to pretend like you're one of my friends, if you're not already. I want you to sit down here with me with a cup of coffee, take maybe 10 minutes out of your morning, and check out this video coming up. Because I'm going to do some reviews on different things, and I think you're going to like this next little item. And I'll tell you the truth about it. I will check it out, and if I don't like it, I'll always add something to the comments in the videos. So, hope you enjoy this next video and learn a little bit, my friend.
Yeah, here we go. Another day. I got my fire probe all done. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. It's supposed to be up to 55 today. You know, I've got this thanks to all you guys out there in Patreon and a couple other places. I was able to save up enough money to buy that. Let me give you a better view. And we're going to film it right there, what we're doing with it. I've never used it. I just now put fuel in it for the first time. It's got oil, fuel. And then I'm going to show you some other things here. But one thing I noticed, how you start this thing is you put it on, then you pull that out, which it's already out. Then you pull it, start it like a lawnmower. Now I got to figure out how to use the soap thing. I think you just drop that in a bucket full of soap. I don't know if you're supposed to cut it down or not. I'll let you know in the next video. But I went to turn the gas on, and you can't. It stays off. I guess that creates a vacuum, which opens up your gas when she starts running. Okay, that's okay with me. So we're going to fire that up. I'm going to put this nozzle in it. This is for soaping. Well, we'll probably rinse it first. They say this is the best one. Like I said, soaping. Then that one's the best for just spraying her down, getting her wet. Then we'll switch out, and not that one. Not that one. That'll take the paint off. That one might. So we're going to use either that one or that one. We'll check them out and see how much pressure it is. Still haven't even pulled all the tags off this thing yet. Yeah, it is a Simpson. It's a 33 or 30, yeah, 33 PSI. It's supposed to have really good reviews. And right after I bought this one, I seen one come up used for sale for half price. That's my luck. Anyway, it's a new one. And once again, I appreciate you guys giving me the thumbs up, a comment, and watching them stupid commercials. I know. I don't blame you. I don't like watching them either. But it helps me out. You know, it helps everybody out. Anybody on YouTube, just fight through the old commercial. We all of us YouTube creators, we work hard to make these videos. Believe it or not, it ain't. If you've ever tried it, you know what I'm talking about. So, anyway, we're about ready to start this up. I have made my own holder, but for storage. Now, this one holder will go like this, just like that, if I don't need the extra room, but I did. So, that's how it usually goes. Now, I'm just going to hook that up to that hose. My other hose here, that's hooked up to my soft water. If you got a soft water deal in your garage, that's a good thing. It'll help it from spotting. Should be doing this in a cloudy day. Well, our cloudy days are too cold around here. So let's get in on that. That's enough blabbing now. Let's see how she works. Well, I've never done this before, guys. So this is what I'm using. I put enough soap in here just to cover the bottom of this bucket. It just barely covers the bottom of the bucket. Now I'm going to put some water in with it. And I think I'll put in, we're using this. So, and there's no instructions on how to really use this thing. So maybe this will help some of you out. I'm going to put about that much water in it and then see what happens. For reference, I filled it up. Oh, didn't fill it up. I only put it up to there on this bucket. So, like I said, I don't know how this is going to work. If I run out or if it suds it up, I guess we know. So I'm going to hit that there. I'm going to drop my line in it. The little line has a little filter on it there so you don't get no dirt in it, but I already cleaned that out. There we go. Well, it's definitely slick. Now then, we're going to put this end on it, the soaping end. And how you do that, just like an air fitting, you pull that down, drop that in, and then drop that in. There we go. And then she comes up on there, just like that. So then we hook this up, same thing. I got quick release fittings for this, because I got another hose over there if I needed to get further away. Okay, that's good. We're going to turn on the water, then we're going to try to start it. I don't want to try to start it without water in the pump. Okay, water's on. And we got all this on. This choke pulled out. Let's see what happens. Never been started, so it may take a bit. There we go. Lesson learned. I didn't have that all the way seated. As soon as I hit pressure, she flew. So I got to find that. I might as well turn this off till we find it. Well, as you didn't see in the last video, I lost my nozzle for soaping. Didn't have it in all the way. Lesson learned. And I have searched for an hour now, and now I don't know if it's over there in that yard, that one, I don't know where. So we're just going to soap it by hand, and I got it wet. Man, that thing's got some pressure, but I'm going to soap it by hand. And I'll tell you once I got that started, you know, I took about 5 tries or something. Now, one pull, she's running. That's a Honda motor for you right there. So I'm going to go ahead and soap it down, and then rinse it off with this. Well, since the sun is out, I'm only going to wash parts of this and then rinse it and then wash more. So I'm going to let you see how easy that thing starts. That's why I got this one. Okay, I've already seen one drawback other than my screw up. The hose ain't long enough. So I've got an extension. I had one ready. So we're going to fire this up now. And you can see how easy that works. That's it. I got a leak in my other hose, my old hose, because I was messing with it. Anyway, I don't know if you got me in all that, but that's why I'm going to do the whole thing. Pressure washer is working great. I can't wait to see how it does the soap. It'd be so much easier because you just soap it, then you walk right back around to do the other. Can't do it. I'm going to cut it off right here. Can't show you no more. It works great. Hose is too short. So if you buy one, make sure you get an extension hose with it. Soap looks like it's working good too. I'll show you in a minute. It's so bright out here I can't even see this screen, so I hope I'm getting the Jeep. Well, pressure washer did a pretty good job. I mean, it's got more pressure in it than our car wash downtown. We don't have one downtown. So that's one reason I wanted to get this. Plus we're going to use it to hose off sidewalks, and Hank likes to, if it's too cold, he don't like to go too far away from the door to take care of business, if you know what I mean. So we're going to clean all that up, all the stains. We got lots of uses for that thing right there, and it did a pretty good job. But I noticed this and I couldn't get it off. That's oil. So, and it was on the glass. I got it off all the paint, but there, that's oil splatter from somewhere. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is crawling underneath there, and we're going to check the transfer case oil and all the oils on the thing. It's got a lot of miles being drugged, not money, plenty being driven. It's 118,000 miles on that little rig, and I've drug it, 5,000 miles. So we're going to pull that in, and it's going to be the next project you'll see. We're going to do that. I'll have to show you how the soap works. Realistically, I could have probably just used a hose and washed it off. But the pressure washer did take off bugs and stuff like that, so I'm happy with that. Not happy with the length of the hose. It's just too short. I mean, you'd have to be moving that thing around all the time, and if you got a bucket of soap sitting there, you ain't going to want to do that. So I'm going to end this part of the video right here. When I get a soap dispenser, we will do the soap, and I'll show you how that works. So I'm going to end that right here, pick up my stuff, and get the Jeep parked in there and get it ready for the next thing.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Maybe even drop me a comment. I do read all the comments you put on here. It will help my channel greatly.